Hey there, old Thompson team. I was checking out your Amazon strategy and I want to congratulate you on receiving an Amazon's Choice badge on your listing. I know how competitive this category is and how difficult it is to achieve, so you should be very proud of that. My name is Charles from my Amazon Guide. It's my job to point out potential opportunities to brands that prioritize Amazon. And if you're okay with it, I'd like to show you some things I've noticed. Let's go ahead and start with your traffic. So currently you have over 1,000, or yeah, you are currently indexing for over 1,025 organic keywords. And I see that you are running ads as well, which is the best way to grow sales in Amazon. However, you may want to add more right now since you are skewing low on paid keywords, meaning you are underspending on ads. So we do recommend a 2-to-1 ratio. So for every two organic keywords, there should be at least one paid keyword. That's what we call the golden ratio. Now, let's see how you're performing on your keywords as well. So, as you can see here, I do see that there's quite a lot of highly relevant and highly searched keywords. Let's say, for example, garlic powder with over 192,000 searches, onion powder with over 111,000, black pepper with over 72,000, and then cinnamon with over 72,000 as well. Let's start with this one. So I do see that your product is not ranking on it, which is a massive missed opportunity. So yeah, just imagine the increase in sales if your customers could easily find your product using this keyword right here. Same goes with these three keywords here. Although you are ranked organically, however, you are not bidding on it, which is again another massive missed opportunity. So, being ranked in the triple digit organically means your product is buried deep in the search results, making it difficult for customers to find you on Amazon. So, by bidding on these keywords right here, you can improve your visibility at the same time increase your organic ranking so that you may be at the top of the page instead. Now, let's take a look at your strike zone keywords as well. So strike zone keywords are, yeah, as I can see, you also have 50 keywords here that are in the strike zone. So basically, they are keywords that don't currently produce much for you because they are at the bottom of page one. So we can help you increase their rankings to the top 10 rankings at least. And if you want to review this keywords as well, we can export this right away. If you take a phone call with me, okay? And I do see that you are bidding on some of these keywords here. So yeah, here's how big your category is on Amazon. So for the keyword black pepper, there's over $2.3 million in monthly revenue for the top 50 listings. And then sellers are averaging around $40,000. It looks like to me that there's a lot of market share still available for you to take advantage of. So yeah, we can help increase your market share through SEO by utilizing conversion and click-through rate as part of our SEO strategy. Now, let's take a look at your competition as well. Just a heads up, we are not comparing products here. We are just simply looking at how we can benefit from their strategy. Of course, there will be differences in quality, quantity, and pricing. All right, so as you can see here for this brand, they only have over 827 organic keywords, and they're quite low actually compared to yours. Although there's not much of a difference with the PPC keywords as well. They only have 172, but most likely they are. This is still one of the reasons why they have higher sales than you, okay, because of the PPC keywords. And then on the organic keywords, it might be that they are indexing for more highly relevant keywords and at the same time, which are highly searched as well. So that maybe is the reason why that made the difference because for the past month, they sold over 21,000 units and over $242,000 in revenue. We can help you close the gap by doing a keyword gap analysis. So, yeah, that's where we duplicate the words that have the highest search volume into your listings. We are going to look at least 10 competitors when doing the keyword gap analysis. Pick the words that most of them rank in the top 10 results with the most impressions. Find all of the relevant keywords and index it to your product for more customers. So, yeah, we are going to thoroughly check what are the highly relevant at the same time highly searched keyword. Okay. Now here are some places we can put the keywords in. First off, in the title, so we can add at least 200 characters here. Second, in your bullet points, although this is already great, we can still optimize this one. We can add 250 to 500 characters here as well. So speaking of images, great images here by the way. But yeah, you may want to add more. Amazon does allow us to add seven or more images, including videos. So yeah, adding a video adds credibility towards your product and towards your store. So yeah. My Amazon guy is a full service digital marketing agency managing over 400 brands and $7 million in monthly PPC spend. That's driving more than $1.2 billion in revenue for our clients. Our team is hands on across every pillar of growth, whether it's PPC, SEO, catalog troubleshooting, creative, and brand protection. Whether you are losing rank, overspending on ads, or perhaps need help scaling, we bring data backed strategies that will deliver real results. Now, if you found this video helpful, you can click the link below this video, speak directly with an Amazon expert to start growing your sales on Amazon. Thank you and have a great day.